Hello, today we will guide you through how to restore deleted pages in WordPress. If you've accidentally deleted a page from your WordPress site, don't worry. In many cases, deleted pages are not gone permanently right away. Instead, they are moved to the trash, where they can be restored in just a few clicks. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly how to find that deleted page and bring it back. To begin, make sure you are logged into your WordPress admin area and viewing the main dashboard. This is the control center of your site, where you can manage content, settings, and site features. Starting from the dashboard helps ensure you're in the right place before navigating to your pages. From the dashboard, look to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Pages. This section contains all of the pages on your site, including published pages, drafts, and pages that have been moved to the trash. Opening the Pages area is the first step toward locating anything that may have been deleted. Once you're in the Pages section, look near the top of the page for the Trash option and click on it. The trash acts like a temporary holding area for deleted pages. This means WordPress usually gives you a chance to recover content before it is permanently removed. If you don't see the page in your main list, checking the trash is the right next step. After opening the trash, you'll see the pages that have been deleted but are still recoverable. Find the page you want to bring back, then click Restore. This action moves the page out of the trash and returns it to your normal pages list. In most cases, the page will go back to the status it had before it was deleted, making it easy to continue editing or publishing it as needed. Once restored, it's a good idea to return to your full pages list and confirm that the page is back in place. You may also want to open it and quickly review the content to make sure everything looks correct. And that's all it takes to restore a deleted page in WordPress. By using the trash feature, you can quickly recover content without needing to rebuild the page from scratch. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps you manage your WordPress site with more confidence.